Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by identifying the problem. Open about this Mac and view storage to see what's consuming space. Once done, quit memory-hungry apps and restart. That clears caches and temporary swap files. Next, empty the trash and clean the Downloads folder. Use Finder's size sort to delete obvious large files. Make sure to check your desktop and move his folders now, because those often hold gigabytes. This buys you immediate breathing room before deeper cleanup. Now you dig deeper with storage management. Turn on Optimize Storage and Store in iCloud where appropriate, and run Reduce Clutter to review large files. Then, use Finder's search for size filters, for example greater than 100 MB, to locate and remove or archive big items. You should also clear user caches in ~library/caches and empty browser caches. Uninstall apps you no longer use using App Cleaner if possible, because finish by running Disk Utilities First Aid on the startup drive to repair directory issues that can misreport free space. Once complete, reboot. If space still looks wrong, boot into safe mode and repeat the cleanup steps because safe mode prevents background processes from locking files. If issues persist, back up to an external drive, prune Time Machine snapshots, or reinstall Mac OS as a last resort. Troubleshooting tip. If free space doesn't appear, check local snapshots with tmutil and delete old ones cautiously.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.